My name's Phil Higgins. I'm with Thode Knife and Saw. Head office for our company is in New Zealand, but I'm based in Chilliwack, and we're getting established here in BC. So we're dealing with Iseli machinery, and also we manufacture bandsaws. We cover the whole range of products in New Zealand, but in BC it will be other bandsaws and machinery initially. So this machine that we're seeing here in front of us is an Iseli RZ1 auto benching station. So it tensions and levels the saw at the same time, does all the work that a saw filer would normally do, and does it to a very high standard. It's probably the better one available in the world. It does it quite quickly and to great accuracy. So the machine corrects the tension, the background and the level all at the same time. So all the time that it's rolling tension, it's also measuring and correcting the level of the blade. So the whole time the saw is running, it's being measured continually for the amount of tension in it. That head that's moving at the moment is just scanning level, but while it's rolling tension, the level sensor is also measuring the level. It'll roll the tension and the level at exactly the same time. Tensioning rolls on the machine are solid tungsten carbide, so they last an extremely long time before needing replacing. And likewise with the levelling rolls, they've got a long life. So the machine requires very little maintenance, very easy to operate, user friendly, and the controls runs on Windows based.